What's going on today, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to change the auxiliary fan on your E46.
Your man hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, do a make a ride. Almost at the club, baby.
So here we have our auxiliary fan, the new one that's going to be going in. Mine has been, I think it's been acting up. It ended up a little bit of overheating when it was at idle. So I checked coolant and everything, and I'm changing this just in case. In here we've got a couple plastic pieces. We've got this here that I'm going to remove. But the main thing we need to do is get rid of the bumper. How I normally do it is I go from the bottom, I pull the bumper supports that are right down here, and then I just slide right off. If you have the guards in here, my guards broke off because of these giant wheels, 19-inch wheels. If you have those, then you want to disconnect them. I still have one over here, but it's not connected down bottom, so I'm just going to go ahead and slide the bumper right off. So what I'm going to do first is, I have some other lights in here that I'm probably going to end up removing. I got some lights in the grills, I have some lights down here, but I need to remove those in preparation for other things. So what I'm going to do now is remove those lights and stuff, and then I will be disconnecting the 2 bolts for the bumper support. Okay, in order to get this off, this piece right here off, all you need to do is pull these 2 and then those 2 over there. Mine was stuck and my clips broke because the idiot that painted my car, that I allowed to paint my car, sprayed paint into the fan. As you can see, it looks discolored because he sprayed paint into it. But my clips broke, so I'm gonna need to probably zip tie them before I can, you know, get the right clips. And then once I get the right clips, I'll pull it back off and put everything back on. So now, the connection for it is right here. Just pull this connection out. Let me see if I can get it out with one hand. Maybe, maybe not. Somewhat, kind of. All right, there it is. So this is the connection right here. Unclip this. Pull it back to the front, and then once you pull it back to the front, you'll just need to pull 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll put what size they are on the screens once I get to that, and then we should be pulling this fan off ASAP. Alright, fan is out, so I've got a bunch of other stuff that I need to remedy that I found wrong while I was pulling this off. But these studs here were a little, like, I don't know how to say corroded, but I'm going to hit them with some PB Blast, scrape them off, and then I'll feed the wire back through. You won't see that because I'm sure it's going to be a pain, it's going to take too long. And then, but I'll show you the area of where I feed it through, and then slap the fan back in. Alright, aux fan is installed. We've got the 13mm nuts on here. They went on a lot easier after putting the PB blast on there. I don't know if you can see it properly, but the cord goes right through here. The plug goes right through here. Up, right there, that shiny piece. And around, right here. And sits inside of here. Same place you pulled it from, same place it goes back. Like I said, I had some other stuff that were broken on here, so I'm gonna fix that first, and then I'm going to put everything back together. So I'll go ahead and start working on that now. Okay, we've got everything back installed. I just put 2 temporary clips down there. I'm gonna get the correct ones whenever I go to BMW. Everything's plugged up like you already saw. Put this back in, just these. You have to line up this piece in order to put these back in. So now I'm gonna go ahead and fix my bumper because there's something broken on my bumper. And then I will also screw this piece back up. And then it should be done, and that should be the finishing product. Alright, so I fixed my bumper, whatever was wrong with it. When you're putting it on, make sure that this right here slides into this right here. And that's just is literally all you need. Slide those in, connect up your fog lights, connect up your horns on both sides, and you should be good. And then put the bolts back in here, tighten them up. Don't really need a torque. It's not that serious, but just make sure it's tight enough. And then that should be it. So let me go ahead and slide that on. Not really gonna show that, but let's get it done. Alrighty, bumper is back on. Just remember when putting it back on, one slot over here, the bolt in the front, bolt over here on the front. Make sure just line them up, go through the bottom of the bumper, and the slot over here. Also want to let you guys know that this is not the original bumper. This is the M-Tech bumper for the E46. So you may have some differences, but removing the fan is the same. Try to get as OEM as possible so everything lines up and everything fits in it. Alrighty, that's gonna be the end of this video. I'm not showing my hands because they are really ashy and really dirty. But if you haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications, hit that share button, and catch you guys in the next video.